This is a tutorial for installing an aftermarket upgrade to certain Lionel Ready-to-Play locomotives to make them compatible with the M86 Toys Sky Bridge ramp, an elevated platform system, a ramp and platform for the Lionel Ready-to-Play train track. Locate the trucks, which are the front and back wheels on the locomotives. Installing the bushings. Step 1. Flip the locomotive over and with a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws holding the cover on the front truck wheel set. With the screws removed, remove the cover. Step 2. Remove the truck wheel set and slide the 2 black bushings attached to the bar inward, and place the truck back where you removed it from. Step 3. Take the new bushings and place them in the slots the old bushings were seated in. Step 4. Place the cover back where you removed it and screw back in the screws until they are snug. Do not over-tighten the screws or you will strip the plastic. Repeat these steps with the back truck wheel set. With this upgrade, the locomotive will be able to make the climb up the ramp. Without this upgrade, the trucks lift the drive wheels off the track, and the locomotive will stall. This is the only style of locomotive found to need this upgrade. All other Lionel Ready-to-Play locomotives make the climb with no issue. Now that the upgrade is complete, load the train on the track and have fun! This Sky Bridge ramp and elevated platform system creates a surface for stock, straight, and curved track.